Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening the document you will adjust. This matters because Page Break Preview shows how content flows across pages, not just single pages. Click the View tab at the top, then choose Page Break Preview to switch views. This reveals blue page boundaries and adjustable break lines. Once done, make sure to save a copy so you can experiment safely. This helps prevent accidental layout loss. You will see whole pages and where word forces page splits, which is exactly what you need to control. Now you refine page breaks. Click and drag the blue lines to move manual and section breaks, because repositioning them changes where content flows to the next page. Hold Alt while dragging to get finer, pixel-level movement. This is critical when text is dense or images sit near page boundaries. Make sure to use zoom between 75 and 150% for better visibility. This prevents overshooting. As you adjust, watch how paragraphs and headings reflow, and think about visual balance and readability. To finish, return to print layout to confirm how the document will print, because Page Break Preview is a tool, not the final view. If spacing or orphan lines persist, open the paragraph dialog and inspect line and page breaks. Options like Keep with Next or Widow/Orphan control stubborn flow. If breaks reset unexpectedly, show hidden formatting marks and check for section breaks or styles forcing pagination. This is the key troubleshooting tip. Fixing the underlying formatting stops repeat issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.